Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to the last day of the Mani Collab weekend with 360 Nails. Today I'm doing kind of a Skittles manicure utilizing all of the colors and polishes that we have been wearing for the past 2 days, I guess now. So each nail is a different color, which makes this super fun in my personal opinion, but I'm going to start by doing the nail that I'm also going to have art on, so that way it is dried first. And I'm using Eternal Cosmetics shade in Unique, which all of these Eternal Cosmetic polishes are actually from a candy pastel set, so if you like them you can actually just purchase a set and get all of the ones I've been using, which I think is really great. They're really good price. If you haven't already, be sure to go check out the Eternal Cosmetic videos because these polishes I am really enjoying, and for the price point and the fact that you get like 5 polishes, it's like $12.99 for 5 polishes. Like, that's amazing. And they're really decently sized bottles. Anyway, back to the design. The minty shade is called Pistachio, then the orange shade is called Flamingo, and then on my ring finger I'm going to be using Defy and Inspire's rose gold shade called Do More, which as far as I know is still available, which if you aren't familiar with Defy and Inspire, they are the Target brand nail polish that Target carries that are actually really amazing. They have great brushes and I've been a fan since they released them, and I'm always like looking out for like new releases from them because their polishes are really good. So after we are done with that, what we are going to do is of course do 2 coats of everything to get everything up to full coverage, and here is where this is just going to be up to you and whatever polishes you chose, whether you need to do 2 coats, 3 coats, or maybe even 1. You never know. But once that is done, I'm going to go in with some white acrylic paint and my favorite What's Up Nails Dance 24 brush, and I'm going to put some elongated white dots sporadically, kind of sporadically on the purpley pink nail. I say sporadically, but also I kind of feel like it looks like I'm following a pattern, so just do whatever feels right for you. You could do it in a dotted pattern if you wanted and kind of just go with it, or you can just do it wherever you see fit. That's kind of what I did. It was kind of a crossover between the two. Either way, it makes for a really easy and cute pattern that's something different than dots, but just as easy as dots, which is why I absolutely loved it. I enjoyed wearing this manicure, and actually as I am narrating this, I am actually still wearing it. So definitely enjoyed it, and I hope you guys liked it. This whole collaboration of these cute and aesthetic nails has been super fun. I enjoyed creating them. I love working within a color palette, and that's kind of the whole vibe and approach that I took to this collab, and it was so much fun. So thank you to 360 Nails for inviting me and coming up with a great idea, and I hope we can do more things like this in the future. And if you guys have not already, go check out her videos that she did for this as well. And I think that is officially it. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys back here soon, and I think that's it. So thank you again, and I will see you guys later. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and bye.